Hello everyone, welcome to our complete web development course. In this course, you will learn web development from scratch to advanced level. In this, here is the course outline given here. What you will learn? You will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind, React, Node, MongoDB and Firebase. So that's all you are going to get out of this course. So let's get started with HTML. So our first topic is HTML. Okay. So what is HTML? And HTML is a markup language. It is an hypertext markup language. So what is HTML? And HTML is hypertext markup language. Let us ask Google what is HTML. Okay, so here you can see HTML is a standard markup language. So what is an HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language. HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages. That means for creating web page you need this language, which is hypertext markup language. Okay, HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as the heading, the paragraph, this is link, etc, etc. Okay, so this is basically the HTML, or the HTML is used to create the basic structure of this web page. Okay, you can see here this what is HTML. This is the font of this letters are big and these fonts are small, right? So these sort of things are controlled using HTML. Okay, HTML tags. So we will know about them more in details, but for now you should just know that the HTML is used to create the basic structure of a website. Okay, so this is the basic understanding of the HTML. So we have known about HTML a little bit. Now let us know some things what you should do to set up your VS Code. Okay, at first you should download an extension in VS Code which is Live Server. Okay, I will go to extension and go with Live Server. Okay, this one we are going to install this Live Server. It's taking some time to install. Okay, so our Live Server is ready to go. Now you have to just click here and allow the access. Okay, you can see here what I have written here in this editor. It has been displayed here. Okay, so this is the basic thing you need for writing the code in HTML in VS Code. Okay, you have to just install an extension which is Live Server so that you can access the code in your browser. So now let us write some real code. Here I am going to erase this and I am telling you a shortcut for the boilerplate you need for writing the HTML, which is the exclamatory sign. So if you give the exclamatory sign, you can see here they are suggesting some Emmet abbreviation. Okay, if you hit enter, you can see the VS Code by default gives you a boilerplate for your HTML. Okay, you can see doc type is HTML and they are giving you a boilerplate. So here this is the heading part. Inside the head, here this is the title, this is the character set. We will discuss about these things later, but let us just now go with the basic things. Here is the title, which is document. So what does this mean? Okay, the title, what does this title section mean? Let us go with that. So in this here, let us assume that we are going to give the name Facebook. Okay, and we are just giving Control S to save the document. Okay, if you don't save, you can see there will be a white dot in the upper side. Okay, if you give Control S or save that, then this will go and you are ready to go now. Okay, so I am closing the port here and I'm again going live. Okay, so here you can see this upper bar, the name of this bar is Facebook. So this is the main work of the title. That means whatever name you give here, it will appear on the tags bar. Okay, suppose I am giving here Twitter and I'm saving it. Now let us see, you can see here the name has been changed from Facebook to Twitter. So this is the work of the title section. Okay, the title tag. So what is tag? I'm just giving what is tag. Okay, so what is a tag? So tag consists of this bracket and this bracket. So inside this, whatever comes, that is a tag. So there are many kinds of tags. So let us go with that heading tags. So there are many heading tags from H1 to H6. Okay, suppose I am writing H1 here and H1 here. Okay, sorry, this will be this one. Okay, so this is a heading tag. So what is the working, what does a heading tag do? We will discuss it afterwards later on, but you just understand the tag. Okay, so this is the tag, and in every tag there should be a closing tag. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag, and it is closed with a forward slash, not backslash. Okay, this is a forward slash. So inside this tag we will write whatever we want. So this is a tag. Okay, so we have learnt about tag. Now at first let us see what is a heading tag. Okay, so if I write something here, I love to code. Okay, this is what I have written. So now if I go to editor and see, here we have got I love to code, right? So now I am writing this, I am copying this text here and I am pasting it inside the tag, heading tag, which is our H1 tag. Okay, so now let us see what changes are have been made. You can see here the size of the text has been changed. Okay, so this is the small, these fonts are small, but in here you can see the font size of the writing has been changed. So this is what basically a heading tag do. Okay, so now if I give H2 and write the same text here and paste it here, and let us see, you can see here it is a little bit smaller than H1, right? Again, if I give H3 here, and let us go and see again, you can see it is a little bit more smaller than H2. So till H6, till H6. We are just going to see the H6 now. You can see H6 is the most smallest here. Okay, and we will not write any code like this. The simple text should be written inside a paragraph tag. Okay, I'm just copying it and pasting it multiple times here. So this is a paragraph tag. What when we use the paragraph tag? We use paragraph tag when we write some paragraph or something or any text. Okay, we use the paragraph tag or the p tag to write it. Okay, so this is the paragraph tag. So let us see here. You can see here that this has been printed here. So we have learnt about H1 heading tags and paragraph tag. Okay, so that's all for this video. So let us recap the entire thing again. So what is an HTML? An HTML is a markup language which is used to form the basic structure of any web page. And this for HTML we need a boilerplate here, and for the boilerplate what we have to type? An exclamatory sign. If you just give the exclamatory sign and hit enter, they will give you a boilerplate. And there is a head tag, there is body tag, and there is an HTML tag. And what is tags? That between these two signs and these two signs, these things are called tags. Okay, we have learned two kinds of tag. One is heading tag and one is paragraph tag. And what does heading tag do? The heading tag is used for section heading. You can see when I move the mouse, when I hover the mouse over H1, they are saying that the H1 element represent a section heading. So there are 6 type of heading tags from H1 to H6. It represents the size. The H1 is the biggest in size, and then the H6 is the smallest in size. And for default text we use the paragraph tags. Okay, so that's all for this video. We will go deep in our future lecture videos. Thank you for watching.